Good morning. Finally Friday, yeah? Friday morning and we have a MacBook, yeah? Let's try to fix a MacBook today. What's the problem with this one? We have the charging light. Is the orange light there, yeah? So that means it's charging. But actually when I press the power button, nothing happens. So this MacBook is dead. That's the problem. It's no picture, nothing. It's not doing anything. So when I plug the charger, I got the green light, then it's changing to orange light, which is normal, yeah? But nothing happened. So this is kind of dead, okay? So let's open this one. Yeah, I'll use my cloth just to be sure we are not making more damage on the aluminium case. Trying to be careful, yeah. Okay, this is a Pentalobe screwdriver. We need one. Let me find one. This is the new model, probably around 2015, 2014, something like that. I should have the screwdriver. Yeah, I have the screwdriver. Let's see what can be wrong. We can fix this without schematic, because the MacBooks are different. The MacBooks are a little bit more complicated compared with the normal laptops, but they have same thing, yeah. They are the same. Power supplies, chipset, Super I/O. Okay, let's just have a look. Okay, and it's looking good inside. I can't see anything wrong like water damage and things. It is dust. Looks fine to me. Let's check some things, yeah. The battery it's really charging because we have the orange light. Let's check the battery voltage. Okay, something is wrong here because my screen goes off and my multimeter change on kilo-ohms volts. So what I'm doing wrong? One more time, ground plus. Zero. Okay. Okay, I think this MOSFET is from the charging. Let's check here. So here we have 8.6 before the MOSFET. And after the MOSFET, we have 0. So why do we have orange light if it's not charging? That's the question. Let's power up the microscope and let's check closely, yeah? Let's see. The battery can make a laptop dead. Usually on a normal laptop, when the battery is dying, the laptop is still working fine on power. But I think it's not the MacBook case. Okay, so we have the battery connector, and we can see, yeah, that's ground. These are all connected to ground, and these three are plus is coming to this MOSFET, and here we have 0, yeah, 0. So here is 0, yeah. And here we have 8.6. What about on the gate? So this is, one second, this is a channel N. So the voltage is coming on this side, and on this side we have a diode. And on the gate we have 8.5. That means the MOSFET should be open. You think it's getting hot? No. No. So I don't get it. Why we have 0 here? Why we have voltage on gate? Yeah. 8.6. No, sorry, one second. No, I'm wrong. Depends how it's driving the voltage. So can be a channel P, and the diode is on this side with the plus here. Or it's a channel? No, it's a diode on this side. No. It's too complicated. A sec. Let's do it like on the Sorin style. I'll unplug this. Let's come with the power supply. You know what? It's too complicated, and I don't have time to search on Google. Yeah, 14 volts. Yeah, let's charge the battery. And the battery is taking 2.3 amps, and the voltage reading is like 6.7. That means the battery is good. Yeah, I should check for a schematic, or I should check on Google that MOSFET. Yeah, to be professional is hard, you know. You need time first. 7 volts. What's the voltage of the battery? 7.6. Okay, that means the battery is 3.6 minus 3.6, 7.2 volts discharge, and 8.4 fully charged. You'll be surprised, but many times like a very low battery can make your things dead. Maybe like now. More amps. 2.7 amps. 2.7 amps, that's great. Let's charge the battery. Just simple task before saying, you know what, see something burn here. I don't know if it's burned yet, but I just want everything to be on the right voltage before I start checking, even the battery. And I think someone like few videos ago, like 2-3 videos ago, left in the description a link from a free website with MacBook schematics. So yeah, we just carry on. We just carry on. We'll fix this. Yeah. There's no reason for us to don't fix this MacBook, which is looking good. It's no water damage. So let's see. 2.7. I'll take out the battery just to reset the Super I/O. Okay, plug the battery back. I'll plug the charger. Well, let's see now. Let me switch. Let's try to power up now. If it's not working, we'll start checking things, yeah? Oh, it's still dead. Okay. At least we know something, yeah? The voltage on the battery is 6.5. and it's not going up, so it's not charging. 6.5. The voltage here is 8.6. 8.6 does mean my main power rail is fine. .4 is too low. Let me charge the battery a little bit more, yeah? Ground plus, let's charge the battery, yeah? 2.7 amps, that's good, that's good. I think if the battery is too low, the MacBook is not starting, if I remember. But I can be wrong, yeah. No, that's okay. So that MOSFET is not supposed to be open because we have same voltage on the on the gate. So that's fine. The MOSFET is good. Let's see the voltage now. .8. No, it's not enough. Hopefully it's not a SMC problem, because we don't have that chip. The battery is charging. Let's just wait 1 minute. I don't understand why I'm wasting the time, yeah? 2.4, let's plug the charger. Let's try and power up the laptop, yeah? No, here we have different problem. Okay, let me unplug the charger. Okay, use the power supply. Let's bring it up. And it's still not working, so even on the battery it's not working. Okay, let's use a multimeter. Let's check one thing, yeah? The voltage on the main power rail 7.5, that's good, that's okay. On the other side, okay, so the MOSFET is good, and actually now we have power on the main power rail, that's good, that's great. Let's see the 3.3. I should find the voltage here on the keyboard ribbon cable. We have 3.4, which is fine. Yeah, so I have 3.4. Everything is fine. It can be a keyboard issue, yeah, from water damage, for example, let's say. Okay, what do I need? I need to know where is the power button track. And we don't know which is it, yeah, but we can check with the multimeter. Let's find a 3.3. Yeah, I know we found one, but can be another one. 1.4. Maybe we should check for a schematic. Yeah, that's 3.4. That's 3.4. Okay. I'm still charging the battery. So 1.7. Okay, the battery is charged now. Now is no reason for the laptop not start. Let's take out the battery. And it's still not coming on. You know what, I should get a schematic. Let me get the board out. Let's get the board out. I think we are wasting time now. No, it's not this one. Okay, I need the right screwdriver here. Yeah, that's the one. Let's get all the solid state hard drive. You don't want to play with the hard drive inside. So the charger is fine, the battery voltage is fine, also we have 3.3. It looks like we have a problem here. Can be water damage on the other side, yeah, can be. Yeah, we have one more screw here. Okay. No, it's no water damage here. And everything is looking great. Okay. Why this is warm? Okay, let's plug the fan. And the fan is spinning. Let's plug the screen, yeah? Let me take out the battery. You see, this is a weird fault when actually everything is good. But, you know, the laptop just wants to take the board out and put the board back. Or maybe we have a short on the screen connector or on different connector. Yeah, let's see now. The fan is spinning. Or on the keyboard cable. Let's see, the hard drive is not plugged in. Let's see if we have the folder sign on the screen. Yeah, we do have folder sign on the screen. So what's wrong with this laptop? Let's put the cables back, yeah? Let's put everything back. This cable is wrong. Maybe the keyboard, who knows? Let's test it. Let's plug the keyboard. The keyboard backlight, the keyboard ribbon cable. Let's try now, yeah? And it's not working. Okay. Let me take out the keyboard cable. And it's working without keyboard. So what's wrong with the keyboard? I still don't get it, how a keyboard can give you like a dead laptop. That's not good. Just a bad design. You know, even my keyboard is dying. You know, I want my laptop to come on, to plug an external keyboard and save my data. So I don't think this is okay how they think, how they design this laptop. Okay, so it's the touchpad or the keyboard. Let's plug the keyboard, yeah. And it's not working. Let's check again. No, it's not working. Let's leave the touchpad and unplug the keyboard. Only the keyboard. And it's not working. So it's not the keyboard, it's a touchpad. How this is possible? So probably it's a short. And it's no liquid damage. And it's no liquid damage. That's a BIOS chip there? Yeah, looks like. Why the touchpad need a BIOS chip? Who knows, this is Apple. Okay, so I should replace the touchpad and end of story. Let me get out of this cable. Yeah, we found the problem. You can't see. That looks like a water damage. Let me try to bring this. So what do you think? But just a little bit of water damage. Not too much. Okay, let's clean it. Let's use petrol. Can be so easy. Can be so easy. Let's try it. Can be, yeah? True. Okay, let's start the laptop. And it's still not working. Okay, what I will do, I will spin this cable. 1 second. I will turn around this cable. I think we can, yeah, yeah, we can. Let's try only with the cable. And it's working. Let's plug the cable. Okay, let's try now. And it's working, yeah? So I'll leave the cable because the damaged side is that one, and I spin the cable on this connector, which is clean. Maybe this cable must be replaced, but I don't have another one. I'm really sorry. And now it's working, yeah? What I will do, I'll put all back together and I'll check the keyboard. I'll check the keyboard and the touchpad, yeah? As a speaker. Okay, we do have a piece of rubber here. It's nice. It's like a laptop, like how the laptop is built. It's okay. But to be fixed, I think it's a nightmare. But yeah, if I'll fix MacBooks every day, like a pro, you know, like 5 minutes thing. Yes, I want to thank you to that people. Like 2 videos, I think it was 2 videos ago. One left a link from the free website with schematics, and the other one left a link with a program with phone's board view, free to use also. Something like ZXW. I want to say thank you. I test the program. The program is okay. It's clean. Nothing wrong with the program. So it's not really a repair on this laptop, but you can learn actually your keyboard cable or touchpad can make your MacBook dead. Yeah. Even if it's looking like it's no damage. Well, I just want one screw to keep the board in place because I want to test the keyboard, test the touchpad. Okay, let's plug the battery. I just need one screw here. Okay, let's test it. Okay, the laptop is on. It's loading up. Okay, we have a user here. The touchpad is working. Let me switch on the Quest user, yeah? Restart. Battery is 2%. Let's see if it's charging. That's. I'm just thinking what water can cause there to stop the motherboard coming on. So probably some data, you know. Probably it's a data. Not probably. Most likely it's a serial communication with the Super I/O or yeah, yeah. Only that can be. You know that's why the complicated things actually get broken more easy. What about the old style? You know, two buttons on the mouse with wires. On that one, you know, that will come on even with water on buttons. Well, where the things are more complicated, just that was just a drop of water on that connector, just a drop of water. Yeah, that's crazy. How a drop of water can make your laptop dead. Hmm? Okay, what's the problem with this one now? I just restarted on quest mode. I don't get it. Oh, sorry, 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay. Mm. You think this laptop is too slow? Because that's bad. That's, I think it's a temperature sensor. There are like 2, 3 sensors there, and one is not good. Your laptop will be slow. That's another crazy design. So if you try to power up the computer without touchpad, the laptop will be mad slow. And one day Jason called me and said, "Look, I have a laptop. It's so slow." And actually, he disconnected the touchpad to check the laptop without the touchpad. That's normal. Well, this is 6 slow. Probably here we have a problem with it, with some sensor. On the touchpad are some sensor there. It's a sensor there on the touchpad, yeah? Let me just put a screw on this fan. Let's wait. Yeah, it's on. I don't think it's slow. Okay, I seen that mouse. Yeah, I still don't get it. What does it mean? Because I'm stuck on this thing. I just restart the laptop like a quest. Yeah. Does it mean the touchpad is not working? I don't understand those more MacBooks. So what is supposed to do now? Just I need a text on the screen. It's no help. One second, let me grab a mouse. Okay. Maybe he need a mouse. Okay, so I plug a mouse and the mouse is still not working. Yeah, that's why I hate MacBooks. Yeah, I hate them. How should I know what's the problem now? So what is supposed to happen now? You know what, let's take out the battery and plug back again. I'm not good with MacBooks, so it's on. The keyboard is working. I think this laptop is trying to ruin my Friday. You know what, I prefer like to fix 10 laptops instead of fixing a MacBook. And it's starting again, I can't believe. That's sick, the laptop was working, was on the login screen, and I pressed, you know, Quest. He need a mouse, I don't understand, this is a picture of a big MacBook, old MacBook Pro, this is a MacBook Air, I don't get it, that's a mouse, yeah? But this mouse is from my computer. So what's wrong with the laptop? You know what, I think I will stop this video because this is awkward, you know? This is sick. What's working? What's wrong now with the laptop? You know, let's check on Google. Maybe Google knows. I don't even know what should I check. You know, let's do something else, yeah? Yeah, let's unplug the... Oh no. Unplug the touchpad is bad. Okay, let's search on Google. MacBook Air. Mouse picture on screen. Okay. There can be a cable problem. 1 second. So there's something wrong with the hardware. Okay, good to know. Let me power off. Let's check that cable again. Yeah. Maybe when we put the battery. Let's test it again, yeah. Let's check one more time. So the cable, it is plugged there, yeah. So I suppose there's something wrong with this rusty cable. Let's try and clean it and check the track, yeah. Yeah, maybe that's the problem. Just okay. Here is fine. Let's try and clean it with a earbud and alcohol. Everything looks fine here. Let's try now. Okay, I think this wasn't plugged in properly. Hopefully now will be fine. Let's see now. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, and we have the Quest account. So the touchpad is working. The keyboard is working fine. So I suppose we are fine. We are okay. Yeah, so yeah, the problem was that cable. So if you have that weird sign on the screen, probably because the motherboard is not, the logic board is not detecting the keyboard and the mouse. Yeah, can be a reason. I'm sorry, I'm not good with MacBooks, I told you, yeah? I try to avoid them, I don't try to fix them. And the price, what we charge for the MacBooks, is the same with like any laptop, so it's no difference. It's no difference. And I'm not going to be more professional with MacBooks. I would, I don't know. We don't have a lot, so we have like one MacBook like on every 2 weeks. It's no point learning fixing MacBooks for one MacBook or two MacBooks per month. We have a lot of iPhones, but no MacBooks. But anyway, this video is about how your laptop can die by a drop of water, and that's not okay. Okay, I'll put all back together. Yeah, and the keyboard is working fine, it's no issue with the keyboard. Let's shut down. Shut down. Let's start the laptop again. Let's see if we have the login screen. Oh yeah, we do have the login screen. Okay. Anyway, the idea of this video is, if everything is good, like you have the main voltage, it's okay, 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, yeah. Your battery is charged, and also you have 3.3. That means everything is normal. You should disconnect everything, including the keyboard, the ribbon cable, keyboard and touchpad, because from the board is going to the touchpad, and from the touchpad is going to the keyboard. Yeah. Disconnect everything and test one more time, and you'll have a surprise, like how, yeah, with the cable. So actually, the cable was the issue. Actually, probably was a drop of water on that connector, and because of that, the laptop was not coming on. This is just another awkward video. Okay. Hopefully, you have a nice weekend. And yeah, I'll put all back together. Don't trying to waste your time. Yeah, I can bet now the battery is charging. Oh, this is different multimeter. .48. .49. Hmm? Yeah, so the battery is charging. The voltage is going up. That's good. 50. Okay, so he's switching to 50. That's good. Yeah? Okay, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you on the next one, yeah? I'll try to find a better job. It's kind of quiet today. Okay? Bye.